How's it going, guys? We're going to go ahead and review Malwarebytes 2024. Now here it is. I went ahead and installed it, and it does say free up here. This is Malwarebytes free that we're going to be reviewing, but there's something very weird about this. It says free, but then it says activate and buy up here. We're going to look into that here in a bit, but first, if you want to get it, this is the website here. I will post a link on the description of the video where it takes you to this web page here, and you could download it. Now, the way this works, guys, it's free. However, you're going to be bombarded by a lot of, let's say, ads by Malwarebytes wanting you to go to the premium pricing. All right. Don't wait to be infected again. Upgrade to Malwarebytes Premium, right? But anyway, if you ignore that, you can have the free edition. As I was saying, it says free here. You're going to have to just ignore where it says activate subscription, ignore where it says buy now, because what they're trying to do is get you to buy it. But this is what it is here. I'm running the first scan. When you run your first scan, it will check for updates. It will scan your memory, as you can see here, scan your startup items, registry, and then finally scan the system. And it looks like it's going to be taking a long time, which is okay. You know, make sure you run the scan overnight or when you're not using your computer. And you click on this little arrow and it should bring it down. There we go. It's scanning right now. And as I could tell here, it probably does not have much. All it has is a scanner. If you want real-time protection, you will have to buy the premium version. And we have reviewed antivirus programs in this channel before that have the real-time protection that are free. All right. There are other antivirus apps, software, whatever you want to call them these days, that do have the real-time protection and are free. All right. So we got that going. If you go to activate subscription, of course, it's going to ask you to, buy it. If you were to want to buy it, let's see, it'll cost you $3.75 per month. The days when you only pay once for a piece of software is over, guys. You're going to have to pay per month for everything. Even the screen recorder that we're using right now, I had to pay per month on it. It used to be where I had to just buy it once. But anyway, that's how everything's going. $3.75 a month is not too bad, though. And if you add VPN, it's $1.25 more, which we're probably going to have to look into that later. But that's it. That's what it costs if you want to get the real-time protection. But other than that, guys, I mean, that's all it has is just the scanner. That's it, guys. We got a couple of other things here, but see, they're all premium. If you want to use everything else, you're going to have to use premium. For example, here we have tamper protection, premium. Beta updates, premium. Proxy server. Is that free? Oh, that's if you have your own. Okay, never mind. Notifications. I mean, that's it. All you could really do is notifications on here. If you want to do threat intelligence, premium. Automatic quarantine, premium. Windows startup, premium. Security center, premium. Brute force protection, premium. Exploit protection. I mean, you don't get nothing on the free edition, guys. My goodness. Like, really? The hell's going? Yeah, I don't know how I feel about Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes used to be, it's always been just a scan option, right? Let's see. Better than most. Complete one item to increase. So if you click here, I bet you more than anything it's gonna online privacy. Oh, okay. The browser guard. So at least you get that with the free version. You get a browser guard. You just click here to install. It'll install it on your browser and protect you on there. But firewall is turned on, so it looks like it has a firewall. The free edition does have a firewall, so that's good. Wi-Fi connection. That's about it, guys. Like I said, and what happened to my scan? Potentially unwanted software. I did find something. But it looks like it finished the scan a little too... It might be a tool that I use, though, so I won't delete these yet. I'll take a look at them, but I don't think I have any viruses or anything like that. Usually I have software that I use that sometimes it picks it up as a virus. But anyway, that scan was a little fast. Is there a way I could scan? That scan was a little too fast. I mean, I do have a solid state hard drive, and I could see why it would go fast, but it went if you want to do a scheduled scan, you need premium. But it looks like I'm trying to do a custom scan here, and it might only be doing a quick scan. I'm not sure, but that scan was a little too fast, guys. Too fast. And it did pick some stuff up, so that's good. So it looks like it does work. I think Malwarebytes is more a tool for like a tech guy that's trying to fix a computer that has a lot of viruses. We used to use it all the time. We would use Malwarebytes, we would use AVG and super anti-spyware to actually clean out computers, which are all free. And that was the funny thing, right? We would fix computers back when I used to work in IT in a computer repair shop. We would use Malwarebytes. We would use, like I said, AVG and super anti-spyware, which was all free. And that was our tool of choice. We didn't even use the paid versions. All right, so just a little secret of the industry there. You don't need paid versions. You can get things done with the free ones. All right, guys. And this is a tool you could use if you get a virus out of nowhere and you just use Malwarebytes, get it off. But it is not an active antivirus program that I would use for my personal computer, guys. This is just a tool to get rid of viruses once you already have them. But this will not protect you. The free edition will not protect you against viruses on an active basis. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to give Malwarebytes 2 out of 5 for active protection, but I will give it a 4 out of 5 to get rid of viruses. As you can see, my computer has no viruses, and I know for a fact it doesn't because I keep it free from viruses, and it picked up something anyway. So 4 out of 5 as a scanner tool, and only 2 out of 5 as active protection. There is free antivirus programs out there. For example, AVG. We were looking at Kaspersky, a couple of other ones that are really good. Free editions that have active protection, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next antivirus video.